Hey guys, JHub here, and in the past two videos you saw me make about the new ASTRO A50 Gen 5. One was an unboxing, and one was a little bit deep dive in on the microphone. Now, something kind of interesting has occurred. In previous videos, I tried to figure out this long convoluted way to make the GoXLR work with the new A50X and the A50 Gen 5 headset. And I showed you many different methods. I'm going to link all those videos down in the description below. But I actually found out something pretty easy. If you still want to use your GoXLR as the mixer for your stream in OBS like you were beforehand, well, now I've kind of figured out how you can live mix it and still have it go to your headset. So bear with me and we're going to show you those settings. So first of all, what you need to do is get in your sound settings. So go ahead and right click down here if you are on Windows 11. If you're not, it should be a similar way. Right click on the volume menu and it'll open up. So we open up our sound settings and you'll see this. Now, your default headset needs to be the A50 Gen 5 or A50X's set in your software. But what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go into your extra settings and we'll modify it from there. So if you're on Windows 11, click more volume or more sound settings. And what you're going to see is these pop up here. These simple settings. So make sure that this is right clicked and set as your default device. Now from here, what you need to do is head on over to recording. Now you need to figure out, first of all, what you're going to route your audio through. So if we bring up the GoXLR software, I can run it over here to routing. For this example, I decided to use the broadcast stream mix output. You can check what you want to hear or whatnot that comes through your headset. I like having my GoXLR sets where I can mess with the volume mixers live and it modifies my headset, while in OBS I've locked them in place so that no matter what happens, OBS will always have the exact same volume level going to stream. Whereas if I need to turn people up or turn them down in my headset, say if I need to clutch and search and destroy, or I need silence, or I need to hear them better, I can manipulate that, but the stream will always stay balanced. So for this example, I'm going to be using broadcast stream mix. So we come back over here to sound, go to recording, broadcast stream mix. Like I said, this is what I'm going to use. You're going to right click on it, go to properties, and then click on listen. Check listen to this device, and then on playback through this device, set it to your A50 headset. So now what's happening is the broadcast stream mix that's being sent out via the GoXLR is now being kind of treated like a microphone in your system, so your A50s will listen to it and pull all that audio in. So everything balances itself out. You can still use your A50s and your GoXLR without having to worry about anything else, because I know a lot of people still have the GoXLR built up. You can use Logitech's Mixline if you want to, and in the link down in the description, I do have a guide on how you can run it between single PC setups, dual PC setups, or whatever convoluted way you want to. But if you're now just looking for a simple way to just hook your GoXLR routed through to your A50Xs or A50 Gen 5s, this is what you got to do. Really simple. And I've been doing this now ever since I posted the A50 Gen 5 review, and I haven't had any issues with it. It also works with OBS. Just make sure if you have that specific channel in OBS, you might want to mute it if it pops up as a new source. I hope you found this helpful. If you do have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Like I said, I have the A50 Gen 5 review link down there. I've got the mic comparison video between A50 Gen 4, A50X, and A50 Gen 5s. And I have all the videos you'll need to try to work this into your setup if you have the GoXLR. But I figured, since I figured this out and it works for me, it might help someone out there. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.